Well, we go now to the weather, and it looks like things are going to be changing a little bit.
Just a little bit, And I didn't see any blue arrows in the forecast.
No, but we are adjusting for inflation. So we're pulling it back in the forecast. This is right on track where we should be this time of the year, everybody. I know everybody's kind of freaking out that the SNOW word is in there. Yeah. I'm still not technically saying it. But this is pretty much when we expect these things to happen. Hey, over the next few hours, it's not snow, it's actually some rain that's popping up around northeast Ohio, so we could have a few drops passing by. Temperatures are going to be fading back into the 40s by the midnight hour. We're going to have upper 30s throughout a good part of the area to begin the day tomorrow. The radar's not showing a whole lot, so the scattered showers that are with us are few and far between, but they are there, and we'll continue to see these scattered showers passing through as we head through the rest of the evening. We take a look at some of the radars to our north and our west, and you can see just how scattered the rain is. So don't bank on the rain, but just know that we'll probably have some of that rain coming through. It won't be anything like last night. Did you hear that rain when that line came through? It was wailing rain at our house. So hopefully we don't have any flood issues or any of that that's going to be taking place, but a few raindrops can't be ruled out. It's all part of a huge storm system that is impacting the Great Lakes region. That heavy rain that we had last night is what is moving through New York tonight, and that's why they've postponed the Guardians game to tomorrow. But you can just see this incredible swirl that's taking place. This is locked in place. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. We're going to ride this southern edge of it for a couple days, and then we'll feel the full force of the Canadian air making its way to the south as we start next week. The chilly air is still to our north. We're still in the blues here, so there is that. But the temperatures currently in parts of Minnesota are in the mid-30s. They are reporting a rain-snow mix in northwestern Minnesota. Nothing sticking to the ground yet. But watch how we go through the next 5 days or so. And we're going to watch how all of this just kind of locks here up in the northern part of the Great Lakes. That swirl just continues. When the swirl stays north of us, it's going to hold the coldest air to the north of us too. So that is some good news. They'll be clearing out beautifully in New York for tomorrow afternoon. No worries there. We will have some more cool air that kind of rotates in here to start the day on Saturday. So we're probably going to have a few showers this Saturday morning. We should dry out for Saturday night, though, for the game that comes back here to Cleveland at Progressive Field. Sunday, as of right now, looks dry, too, for the Browns game. That's great news. But watch how we go Sunday into Monday. Here comes the purple, and notice how much farther south that begins to dig. So we know that we have a very unsettled forecast just because we have all this cold air aloft, but we don't unleash the beast until the really cold air starts to move south. That doesn't look to happen until Monday into Tuesday. In the meantime, in your National Designer hour-by-hour forecast here, these scattered showers will be staying with us. We will be in the 40s midnight hour, and then by tomorrow morning, look at the mid-30s in areas farther south, while we're still right around the 40-degree mark here in greater Cleveland. We'll clear out for tomorrow afternoon. I think it looks like a beautiful afternoon in northeast Ohio, albeit a little bit breezy. Temperatures once again should stretch into the upper 50s around the area, so that is certainly some good news. Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast, and we'll stay in those upper 50s Saturday and Sunday. Remember, the swirl happening north of us, and then once we unleash the beast, there it is, upper 40s for highs Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and yes, because of those morning temperatures in the 30s and the way lake effect works and high terrain and all that good stuff, yeah, we could get our first snows of the season.
You said it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine.
It's happening.
Do you feel better now that it's coming out?
It's happening.
All right. Thank you, Betsy.